The Coorong, a breathtaking wetland, teeming with life, stretching across the southeastern coastline of South Australia. For thousands of years, Indigenous communities have thrived here, living in perfect harmony with this delicate ecosystem. Their deep connection with the land has shaped a way of life that ensures sustainability, allowing both people and nature to flourish side by side.
At the heart of the balance lies traditional ecological knowledge, an intricate collection of wisdom accumulated over millennia. It teaches when to harvest and when to refrain, when to listen to the land's signals and when to intervene. Indigenous people have long understood the rhythms of the Coorong, ensuring that there is no resource exploited beyond its means.
This landscape is unlike any other, a vast, intricate system of sand dunes, freshwater lakes and saltwater lagoons that provide shelter and sustenance to a stunning array of wildlife. Here, knowledge of the land is not simply learned, it is inherited, passed down through generations.
This knowledge is not merely a relic of the past, it's an evolving, living guide to stewardship, one that ensures sustainability in the present and the future. It allows the Coorong's biodiversity to endure, ensuring that each plant, bird and fish maintains its rightful place in the ecosystem.
This haven is under threat. Over-extraction of water from the Murray-Darling Basin has reduced freshwater flow into the Coorong, tripping the scales of life. As a delicate balance of salinity shifts, species that have adapted to this environment for millennia now have found themselves struggling to survive.
The Coorong is a vital sanctuary, not only for local species, but for thousands of migratory birds that travel unimaginable distances to reach these shores. The Australian pelican, the red-necked stink, and the eastern curlew rely on this delicate balance of water and land. These wetlands are a place of refuge for creatures that depend on seasonal abundance of fish and invertebrates.
The construction of barrages in the 1930s further disrupted this natural cycle, severing the connection between freshwater and saltwater systems. The once thriving estuary, where waters move freely, is now constrained, forcing the ecosystem into crisis.
Yet is all not lost. Indigenous land stewardships offer a way forward by actively restoring habitats, planting native vegetation and managing water flows. We can begin to heal this landscape.
With reduced freshwater, salinity levels rise, leading to a cascade of ecological consequences. Eutrophication, an influx of nutrients into water, fuel excessive algal blooms, choking aquatic life and robbing the water of oxygen. Fish die, bird populations decline, and the intricate balance of life is further unravelled. If we listen to the wisdom of those who have cared for this land for thousands of years, we may yet secure the future of the Coorong by restoring water flows, reducing pollution and protecting crucial habitats. We can ensure this remarkable wetlands remain a refuge for both wildlife and people.
Conservation programs that protect key species and habitats will be crucial. By safeguarding these ecosystems, we will not only preserve biodiversity, but also ensure that future generations can continue to benefit from the rich resources the Coorong provides. True restoration, however, demands collaboration. Scientists, conservationists, and Indigenous custodians must work together, integrating ancient knowledge with modern science. Policies must be re-examined, water management improved, and sustainable practices embraced to reserve the damage of the past century.
The story of the Coorong is one of resilience. It's a story of an ancient landscape shaped by forces both natural and human. It's a story that is still being written. For the Coorong to endure, we must act now. The lessons of the past may guide the solutions of the future. Only by embracing both science and Indigenous wisdom can we hope to protect the extraordinary place. The fate of the Coorong is in our hands. The choice is ours, to continue the path of destruction or to walk the path of restoration. It's time to act now.